Hi, it's Matthew here. So for today's episode in the Wealth and Health channel, what we're going to be doing is Aniken I will be doing a health hustle, and we're going to be using the kale which we picked yesterday from the organic farm just next door, and we're going to be making it into a juice. What we're going to be doing is mixing it with apples, an orange, ginger, okay? And we're going to put it into our little blender here, and we're going to give it a go. Okay. Happy, Annie?
Happy.
Okay, so the key with juicing kale and other fruits, if you've got a blender like this, is to start with the kale, okay? And try to put it into small pieces as possible, because if it's too big, the pieces don't come up, so the teeth don't actually grind into the vegetable, so it doesn't juice as easily, and it sort of gets stuck a little bit. So what I've done is also got some ice and some water. Good juice is always nice to be, it's better to be cold. What I can do, in the next phase we get a sieve. And the sieve then we pour in very much juice in that, is there? But then here, oh, crash. So the second batch we added some more water in it, and then we also added the ginger in it separately, so this has got a bit more. A special cloth for filtering out the rest of the juice that we have from the pulp. My wife suggested we can use this pulp to make pancake with it. Mix it in with pancake mix, and I'm not sure. Maybe that's something we can try with a bit later on. Okay, so wow, that's another good. So some more ice. Ice is always good with juice. Wow, we got almost another half good glass of that. So definitely worth getting a cloth to filter out the rest of the juice, and you can get another good glass out of it. Okay. Oh, nice. Worth the while. Okay, curly kale juice. So, bottoms up. Nice, refreshing curly kale with apple, ginger, and orange juice. Okay, from farm to table, and I'm no professional, what do I know, okay? But it's all a bit of fun, okay? Have a great day. Ciao. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'd like to get your comments, definitely, in what you do to improve your juice and to have some fun. So you can see Aniken has left me, but you'll have some juice later, okay? Thanks, bye.